Hello guys, welcome to yet another video on C++. So today we'll be discussing something on synchronization. So here we'll be talking about how you can synchronize the execution between the two threads. So for that demonstration, I have created two threads and this two threads are operating on the same API called the print API. And inside the print API, what I'm doing is I'm running a loop for 20 iterations. And in each iteration, I am using a something called as condition variable. So condition variable actually will cause the threads to wait until the condition becomes true or it gets signaled by some other thread. So here the condition that I'm using is if the current thread ID of execution is not the previous thread ID, then I am returning as true. That means if a new thread is coming for execution, I am allowing that thread to execute. So here, anyway, this particular piece of block can be executed by only one thread at once because I am using a unique lock on top of it, and this condition variable allow for conditional execution of the code based on the thread ID. So what I'm doing is I'm just printing some statements. So let's see how the output looks like. So if you see the output, the threads are getting executed in alternate fashion. As I was told before, there are two threads, thread 0 and thread 1. So you can see that the thread 1 is executing and it is printing 0, and thread 0 is executing and it is printing 0. That means the two threads are executing in a interchangeable fashion, or I mean to say, one after the other. It is getting executed. So it is operating, it is printing the same value. Two threads are printing the same value. So this continues until 19, until the loop ends. So this pattern can be formed with the help of condition variable. So interchangeably, these two threads are getting executed. So that's it I want to cover in this video. If you found it helpful, please do subscribe to this particular channel, and you can see the code in the description box below.